While manifestation helps in achieving success, wealth, and other higher goals, we must not forget that it is crucial to practice it in your day-to-day lives. To discuss further, today we have Richa Jain, who is a proud homemaker, wife of a businessman, and mom to her 3 kids. So let's hear from her how she harnesses the power of manifestation into her day-to-day life. So Richa, welcome to my podcast, Real Talk on Manifestation.
Thank you.
We are really glad to have you on this podcast.
I'm also glad to come here to let people know that yes, manifestation does work.
Yeah, exactly. So let's start. So Richa, कैसे आपने manifestation journey start की? Like how did you start your journey? पहले क्या था? अब कैसे transform हुआ? What are the changes that you have observed?
First, see, about manifestation, I was absolutely clueless.
Okay.
I had heard the word from my husband.
Okay.
And then I got to meet you.
Yes.
Then we spoke about it, and when you were explaining things, when you were giving live examples, and one thing with human mind is what, when you are hearing live examples, you tend to
believe it
in
very
it.
quickly.
Yeah. So that way I came to know about manifestation, and I started making short-term goals, as you say.
Yes.
That you're supposed to make short-term goals, because if you do so, and when it gets fulfilled, you start believing in it.
Yeah, वो belief system create होना start हो जाता है.
वो
right?
belief system आएगा तो slowly वो faith आएगा.
कि अगर ये छोटा हुआ है तो वो बड़ा
भी
भी achieve हो सकता है.
And for anything that you do, faith is
matters the most.
Yeah, if you have that faith, वो चीज आपको
हमेशा मिलेगी.
वो पूरी होगी.
Yes.
So that way I came to know about manifestation, and yes, I try and practice regularly in my day-to-day routine. Also, I try and add it for very small, minute things. For example, if I'm cooking a meal for my family or for my 3 kids, or so when I am cooking, I will while cooking only, so I'll say that thank you universe, the food is yum, they are loving it, they're licking their fingers and they're having it. So yeah, I tend to do that, and
वो हो जाता
वो होता है.
अच्छा.
It happens.
Okay.
It happens because I've read also and I've heard also that especially in food, when you say whatever you're thinking,
that is
it goes in
food,
that
yeah.
food.
And
so you have to have that positive mindset when you're cooking, so that you can provide your family that positive mindset.
Because the person who is going to have that food is going to get that vibrations as well along
definitely.
with the food. Yeah, nice. Okay, so I'm curious, how do you think as a homemaker, how will you tackle the challenges with the help of manifestation?
For this, I tend to practice a lot of gratitude.
Okay.
For small little things in my life, I practice a lot of gratitude. From getting up early in the morning, when I get up, because there was a time, abhi bhi, whenever you read, there are people dying of heart attack, they're not getting up in the morning when they sleep at night.
Yeah.
So when you're getting up, at least you should thank God. You thank God, or you thank universe, whoever you have that belief system in. So you should thank that yes, I am getting to live one more day. And for every small little things, like the youngest child, he has a speech issue. I have to take him to a speech therapist.
Okay.
So when I go there, I see so many kids with different
problems,
disabilities and everything. So I really sitting there, I am really grateful that my kid only has problem with few letters.
Okay.
It's just only few letters that he can't speak.
Okay.
And with that effort, with practicing manifestation, I might reach there. हाँ, वो मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी.
हाँ, of course you are supposed to take actions.
हाँ, वो without that मेहनत you think कि हाँ बैठे बैठे I'll just think and it will happen. No.
You are supposed to take aligned actions as well.
Exactly. तो वो मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी उसके पीछे. But वहाँ बैठे when I see that though he was I delivered him in 6.5 months.
Oh.
So वो स्टेज से निकल के he is healthy and only minute problem of speech which I am sure that we'll overcome
Eventually,
that.
yeah,
Yeah,
we'll
definitely. I have that belief in that universe that he'll give it to me.
Yeah, amazing, amazing. Okay, so let's talk about multitasking. So how do you juggle? So like for example, you want to have your own time. You need to have that me time, and at the same time, your children are demanding your time. So how do you manage such things?
See, with 3, it is very, very, very difficult to take time
Yeah.
out for your own self.
Of course.
It is very difficult. I don't know how the working mothers do it. Hats off to them. How they manage home, their spouse, the kids, and the work.
Yeah.
But with 3 kids, I find it difficult. So for my saneness, I love playing basketball. Though I'm not a great player or something, but I enjoy playing it thoroughly.
That's kind of your me time.
Yeah, that is my me time.
Yeah.
So that tend to happens in the evening. Kids are at home in the evening. You can't leave 3 of them together because if all 3 of them are there, then there has to be fights.
Of course.
And if I leave for half an hour also, if I leave, there are calls that he's hitting me, you come back home, this
Okay,
is not
constantly
done.
they will give you
yeah,
call.
Yeah, definitely. Or either they'll not call me at all, then I know it's screen.
It's screen time.
Yeah. So to avoid all that, I started earlier, it was getting very difficult. Because
of course.
nahi ho pa raha tha. I was not being able to get out of the house. I wanted to go and play, but I was not being able to do it. But then I started manifesting it.
Okay.
I started.
How did you manifest?
By manifesting things that all my 3 kids are out of the house at the same time, so that
you
even
are going for basketball.
Yeah. So there is nobody at home, so there is no problem at home.
So you can also have your me time
Yeah,
peacefully.
that is my saneness because when I am there in the field, when I'm playing, it's only me. I am not bothered whether I have a child, I have a husband, I have a home to look after.
Of
No.
course. That's what you call your me time.
Yeah. That saneness is also needed.
Yeah.
For that sanity is really, really required to push you through. To take you. वो दिन पूरा आगे जाए तुम्हारे लिए.
Exactly.
So to push
and then
you.
you are energized after that.
100%. वो tiredness होती ही नहीं है that because you're running, you're playing, you get tired. But no, for me that is like.
Yeah. Mentally you are more refreshed.
100%. 100%.
So फिर हुआ manifest?
Yeah, होता है ना. अब मैं जाती हूँ क्रोज खेलने. Most of the time, at least out of 5-7 days, 4-5 days,
You
हो
could manage,
जाता है. Yeah.
Wow, amazing. So Richa, how does manifestation help you find your purpose as a partner, mother and a woman?
In this, for me it is that if I am happy, if I am contented, I can keep my family contented and them happy. Because if I am agitated with something, I am irritated with something, it becomes very difficult to keep, to give that attention to your children or to your spouse, because if they come and ask you for tiny little thing, you are irritated and you will be like, no, and you'll be like, yahan se jao. No, it happens. It's very natural.
It's very common.
It's very natural. So for that, I practice that the technique. I can't pronounce it. I'm so sorry. I just can't pronounce it.
It's Ho'oponopono.
Yeah. So I practice that technique because whenever I do it, it keeps me calm. The guilt the mothers that tend to have, because there are times, when you are not being able to fulfill everybody's demands.
Yes. Yeah.
It is not possible. Humanly, it is not possible sometimes that you cater to everybody's needs.
Of course.
So, and mothers tend to have that habit कि they will go on a guilt trip. यार आज तो बच्चा का ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं करवा पाए, और
exactly.
My husband was asking me for this and I couldn't do it. ठीक.
Guilt बहुत होता है.
Yeah. So because of that practice, I'm like, it's okay. That guilt is gone completely. It keeps me calm. I'm like, hoga, everything will happen.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Because that Ho'oponopono is all about healing.
Yeah, and it makes you a better person.
Yeah. because it's a cleansing and healing technique. So it heals you from any sort of negativity or negative vibrations that you are carrying. So whatever you're talking about, that guilt or irritation, so if you're practicing every day, it will be removed.
No,
or
it tends to make you a better person 100%, because I have been practicing Ho'oponopono since I hope I said it correct.
yeah. It's correct.
So I've been practicing since a very long time. Yeah, not the way you say that it should be, 108 times, but yeah, 5 times also in a day, or twice also in a day if I have to do it. If I'll do it.
Yeah, but tend to do it
tend
every
to practice
day.
And I have seen that change within me.
Okay.
I have become more calm than what I was, and I really think that if I would have I was aware of this technique earlier in my life, because when I had my younger ones, because they are twins, I had to deliver them early, as I said. So it really, that time, that stress, I think I would have been able to handle it really in a better way than what I did. And that, I think that, because that time I was very negative. I was very I was in that zone when I was very, very negative. So I think if I would have been introduced to that practice earlier, my kids might have recovered earlier. But yeah.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
It's never too late.
Yeah, and it has really like my amongst the twin, the elder one, he had an issue with his voice. His voice would change automatically. I couldn't get it that
really?
Why is it happening. I had taken him to the doctors also. They were like, wo sardi se hota. I said, it's not because of sardi, but how can it stay constantly?
Yeah.
So then I spoke to you. I spoke to you. You told me how you're supposed to chant for him.
For his,
So, and gradually, slowly, it took time, but it happened.
वो heal हो गया.
वो heal हो गया. उसकी voice मेरे को अब, it's like, this is like his normal voice. It is not that hoarse voice that he had.
Okay. So definitely there was a change.
Yeah, because constantly I was like, and everybody was no, nothing. I said, no, it is there.
It is there.
Yeah. And now after, the things are fine. Now my husband also agrees कि हाँ नहीं था. Now his voice is,
because वो difference आया तो पता चला.
वो voice better है.
अच्छा.
And like if my kids fall sick, if my husband has fallen sick, or if my husband has some kind of work that is stuck,
okay,
so he is the first person to tell me, though he won't practice, but he'll tell me, please मेरे लिए ये कर देना, हाँ मेरे लिए ऐसा chanting कर देना, तो मेरा ये हो जाए.
Let Ho'oponopono chanting.
Yeah, Ho'oponopono chanting, or make an affirmation only for yourself that you please keep doing it.
Okay.
कि मेरा काम हो जाना चाहिए.
और फिर होता है वो काम.
हाँ, होता है.
Wow.
होता है. मतलब it had and I think I had told you also कि there was some work was stuck and कुछ government rule ही ऐसा हो गया था कि उसका काम आगे बढ़ गया था, if you remember.
No, I don't remember. I guess we haven't talked. Yeah.
तो फिर I was like, this is like remarkable.
That's the power of universe. कि आप जो मांगोगे, just surrender your goal towards universe and don't ask how कि ये कैसे होगा. Don't get worried about that. So वो फिर universe will take care of it. वो आपका goal कहीं से भी आपको deliver करके रखेगा if you have that belief into that.
That's what I said. Faith is very, very, very important in anything that you do.
Yes, exactly.
In any walk of life you are in anything वो faith होगा तो ही आप का कुछ भी
होगा.
Yeah, if you manifest, वो उस चीज में faith हो, वो manifestation में you'll have to have that faith कि वो fulfill हो. Doubt में रहोगे ना, कर रहा हूँ but I don't think so, पता नहीं होगा नहीं होगा. That doubt, you can't keep that doubt with you.
Exactly.
If you keep that doubt, तो वो पूरा होना is very, very difficult.
So वो जितना doubts और जितनी भी वो negativity आप रखोगे, तो वो आप ही खुद हडल क्रिएट करो between you and your goal. जितना रास्ता क्लियर होगा उतना जल्दी आप गोल की तरफ पहुंचोगे.
So there is I think there is a Apple story also, not a story, an experiment.
अच्छा.
कि एक एप्पल हाफ कट कर दो, सो एंड एक को आप पॉजिटिव बोलते रहो और एक को आप नेगेटिव बोलते रहो, सो यू विल सी द डिफरेंस. जिसमें आप नेगेटिव बोलते हो वो एप्पल ऑटोमेटिकली इट उसका सड़ जाता है. सो इट इज ऑल अबाउट दैट पॉजिटिव
thinking and positive vibrations.
वो positive vibration will only come if you know, if you are thinking, you know, if
in
you're
that way.
chanting also, वो भी आपका mindset भी change करता है.
Right. Okay, so Richa, why do you think people like you, especially homemakers, should practice manifestation into their day-to-day lives?
Because homemaker वाली जो job है ना, people don't take it seriously.
Yeah.
They're like, ठीक घर पे ही तो है.
हाँ. Actually.
Fact है for everybody. आज as a homemaker हम भी शायद ऐसा सोचते हैं.
Yeah.
कि you know घर पर ही तो है. तो
people are not realizing that
it's not like, but इनका it's the most toughest job at. मतलब ये आप जाते हो, सुबह जाते हो, 9 o'clock जाते हो, 10 o'clock you go, 5 o'clock you're home or 7 o'clock you're home.
Just a 7 to 8 hours of work, yeah.
But no, with homemakers it is not such. You're getting up at 5:30 in the morning or 6 in the morning. You're continuously working till everybody is not slept.
It's a 24 hours job, yeah.
Till everybody has not slept, you are, you know, you are catering to everybody till
constantly occupied, yeah.
मतलब आपको उसमें आपके लिए you don't have time for yourself.
Yeah.
But वो I think nobody pays attention to it.
Exactly.
वो घर पे है, she is free, घर पे ही तो है, घर पे होगी, तो वो अपने आप को as a homemaker, there was a time when even I used to, I think, look, you know, I will not say look down, but हाँ मेरे को भी थोड़ा doubt होता था कि हाँ क्यों?
हाँ, what am I doing?
Yeah. But no, when you sit and think about it, and when I started, you know, chanting, when I started making affirmations, तो when I got into this manifestation ka thing, I got it, no, my job is equally more important than what you are doing.
You started feeling proud about yourself.
Yeah, no, because you are mentally free because I am at home.
Exactly.
You don't have to think about कि घर पे क्या चल रहा है because you know there is somebody who's looking after it.
Of course. Yeah.
तो आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोचना पड़ता. But आज अगर मैं नहीं हूँ, if the homemaker is not available, you will have to keep calling at home and checking.
Exactly.
आप काम के बीच में you will अपना attention full, 100% attention उधर दे पाते हो ना, 100% attention इधर दे पाते हो.
Yes.
So if you are working there, I am working here with an unpaid salary, unpaid job. And nobody giving that credit also कि हाँ नहीं है.
Exactly.
हाँ, but I think now the times are changing.
Times are changing, yeah.
समझ रहे हैं, people are giving that credit.
Priority.
Yeah. वो and होना चाहिए. And as homemakers, I think nobody should look down upon themselves. Nobody has the right to question you that why are you at home.
Exactly.
It is your choice. You want to be at home because you want to cater your family. वो भी एक job है.
That's a full-time job, I know.
तो फिर don't think. Just don't feel, you know. Don't shy away, accept करने में yes I am a homemaker. I don't do it.
Of course.
I don't do it anymore. Earlier
जैसे वो की एन का मूवी में अर्जुन कपूर बोलता है ना, my mom was an artist. Artist as in she was a homemaker. तो वो भी तो एक आर्ट है, घर संभालो अच्छे से. So she was an artist.
Exactly.
So yeah, I agree.
So yeah, that way I think all the homemakers should practice manifestation for their own sanity.
Okay. So as we have seen, Richa's life is the biggest example for all of us that how manifestation can transform your life when you are applying it into your day-to-day lives. So whenever you are doing gratitude, whenever you are applying law of attraction to every small goals, it helps you to stay into that positive zone. And जैसे ही वो छोटे goals manifest होते हैं, वो belief system को और strong करता जाता है day by day. So did you like today's episode? Let us know in the comment section and share this video to your mom, your sister who are homemakers. And thank you, Richa, for coming to this podcast.
Pleasure's all mine.